Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have y, we can put on the left, and you got about negative y. We see that we have first the derivative of the function and original function, so we can use about integrating factor. So we will go about mu s equals to e to the power of the integral. So we look carefully about this one. We have the negative side. The negative, that's about negative number 1 next to y. So the number negative number 1 is about integrating factor, and we put negative number 1 in here. The integral of negative number 1, you got about negative s. So in this situation, we need to multiply by both sides with e to the power of negative s. Next, we need to do the integration for the both sides. So the integral on the left, we can apply about rounded rule of the derivative. So that's it, like this. We do first the derivative of u multiplied by v. Later that we do first the derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we look carefully about this one, we see that this one is about first the derivative of y. This one e to the power of s with negative number 1. That's about first the derivative of e to the power of negative s. So if we do integration for the both sides, you will got about vu. So v, that's about y, u, that's about e to the power of s. And then this one, you will got about y e to the power of negative s. Now I will concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So we put about u equals to s, du equals to the s, dv we got about e to the power of negative s ds. So if we do integration for the both sides, we got about v equals to negative e to the power of negative s. So we got about u multiplied by v, and you got about negative s e to the power of negative s du multiplied by v. So we have the negative side in here, but we have another negative side, so you got about positive. Then we have the integration e to the power of negative s ds, and this one you got about negative e to the power of negative s, and we put about c. So this integration we change for this one. Next, we divide both sides of e to the power of negative s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.